Good morning, gentlemen. Welcome back to Mustang Academy. In my previous video, I covered various options and officer entries for both men and women at 10 plus 2 level. In this video, I'll cover about various entries for men and women in army at graduation level. So let's start the video.
First entry that we are going to cover is graduate UPSC CDS entries. These are also called IMA Indian Military Academy Permanent Commission entry as well as Short Service Commission non-tech entries. So let's see the IMA entry first. The vacancies for IMA entry PC are 200 candidates per course, and this course takes place twice a year. The notification is published in upsc.gov.in. The age of the candidate should be between 19 years and 24 years. And qualification of graduation from a recognized university is essential. The candidate should be unmarried. The candidates can apply online on UPSC website as per the dates given in the notification, which will be out in the month of July and November. The likely SSB dates are in August and September for the Jan course and Feb and March for the July course. The course will commence in Jan and July for their respective batches. The training will take place in IMA Dehradun, and the duration of the training is 1.5 years or 3 semesters. Next, graduate UPSC entry is a Short Service Commission non-tech entry. These are applicable for both men and women. The vacancies are 175 vacancies are there for male candidates and 12 vacancies are for female candidates. The course will take place twice a year. The notification will be available on www.upsc.gov.in. The age of the candidate should be between 19 years to 25 years. The candidate should be graduate from a recognized university, and the candidate should be unmarried. The candidate can apply online on UPSC website as per dates given in the notification in the month of July and November. The likely dates of SSB would be November, December, May, June for the August course. The likely dates of SSB would be November, December and May, June. The course would commence in month of October and also in the month of April. That is 2 courses per year. The training will take place in OTA Chennai, and the duration of the training would be 49 weeks. Now the second entry that we are talking about is graduate non-UPSC entry. These consist of JAG Short Service Commission entries, which are applicable for both male and female candidates, and NCC Short Service Commission entry. These are again applicable for both male and female candidates. JAG Short Service Commission entries. Vacancies are 10 for male candidates, 4 for female candidates, and these are twice in a year. So 2 courses per year. The notification is published by Directorate General Recruiting AG branch in the month of July, August and Jan Feb, and these notification would be available on www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. The age of the candidate should be between 21 years to 27 years. The candidate should be law graduate with 55% aggregate marks and eligibility for registration of Bar Council of India. In addition, CLAT PG score of preceding year is mandatory for all candidates, including LLM qualified and LLM appearing candidates. The candidates should be unmarried, and the candidates can apply online on the official website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. The likely dates of SSB would be December, Jan and July and August. The courses commence in the month of April, and the second course of the year will commence in the month of October. The training will take place at Officers Training Academy in Chennai, and the duration of the training would be 49 weeks. The next entry in graduate non-UPSC is NCC Short Service Commission entry. These are applicable for both male and female candidates. The vacancies of this course is 50 for male candidates and 4 for female candidates, and these courses takes place twice in a year. The notification would be given by Directorate General Recruiting AG branch in the month of June and December, and also through NCC Directorate. These notifications would be available on www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. The age of the candidate should be between 19 years to 25 years. The qualification of the candidate should be graduate with 50% aggregate mark. 2 to 3 years service is in NCC Senior Division Army with a minimum B grade in the C certificate examination. The candidate should be unmarried and the candidate can apply online on the official website of DG Recruiting, www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. The likely dates of SSB are in the month of December and Jan and June and June. The training commences. First course of the training will commence in the month of April and the second course of the year will commence in the month of October. The training takes place at the Officers Training Academy, Chennai, and the duration of the training would be 49 weeks. The third entry is graduate technical entries. These consist of both technical graduate commission entry, which is a permanent commission entry, and tech as short service commission NCC entry. This entry is applicable for both male and female. Army Education Corps entry for men is currently suspended. Now let us see the technical graduate commission entry. This is only applicable for male candidates. The vacancy of the entry is 60 twice in a year, that is 2 courses will run in a year. The notifications would be available in the month of March, April and September, October on www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. The age of the candidate should be between 20 to 27 years and the candidate should be Bachelors of Engineering or Bachelors of Technology in notified stream of engineering. The candidate should be unmarried and the candidate can apply online on the official website of DG Recruiting, that is www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. The likely dates of SSB would be March, April and September, October for their respective courses starting in Jan as well as in June. The training will take place in IMA Dehradun and the duration of the training is 1 year, that is 2 semesters or 2 courses. The next graduate technical entry is Tech Short Service Commission entry. This is applicable for both male and female candidates. The vacancies are 100 for male candidates, 20 for female candidates, and the courses happen twice in a year. The notification is published in employment news and leading daily newspapers, also on the website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. The age of the candidate should be between 20 to 27 years and the candidate should be Bachelors of Engineering / Bachelors in Technology in notified stream of engineering. The candidate should be unmarried and the candidate can apply online on www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. The link to the website would be given in the description of this video. The likely dates of SSB are December, Jan and June, July. The training will commence in the month of April and October and the academy for training would be Officers Training Academy, Chennai. The training would be for 49 weeks. Now let us see some service entries. The service entries consist of ACC entry, PCSL entry and SCO entry. ACC entry. The vacancies for ACC entry are 75 per semester, that is twice in a year. Notification is published by MP Directorate / AG branch through units in March and August. The age of the candidate should be between 20 to 27 years. Minimum service of 2 years should be there. The qualification 10+2 class 12th examination pass or equivalent and should qualify in ACC written examination. The candidates can be married as well as unmarried. The candidates will apply through their proper channel from the units. The likely dates of SSB would be between September to November for Jan course and March to May for the July course. The course will commence in Jan and July. The training would be 4 years, 3 years in the ACC wing in Dehradun and 1 year at the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. The next service entry that we are going to talk about is PCSL entry. The vacancies for the course are 100 and these courses take place once in a year. The notification is given by MP Directorate / AG's branch through units in the month of April and July. The maximum age of the candidates is 42 years and 45 years for engineer. Minimum of 10 years service should be rendered by the candidate in Indian Army. The qualification should be metric and above and the candidate can be married as well as unmarried. The candidate can apply from their units through proper channel. The likely dates of SSB would be September and October for July course, and March and May the course will commence in July. The duration of the training would be 8 weeks in Army Education AEC Center and College Panchmani and 4 weeks at IMA Dehradun. The third entry that we are going to talk about is SEO entry. The vacancies for SEO entry are 100 and this takes place twice in a year, that is 2 courses run in a year. The notification would be published by MP Directorate Aegis branch through units in April and July. The candidates should be between 30 to 35 years of age and they should have put minimum service of 5 years in army. The candidate should be at least metric or above. The candidate can be married as well as unmarried. The candidate can apply through proper channel from their unit. The likely date of SSB would be July-August for the Jan course and November-December for the July course. The course will happen twice in a year, that is in Jan and in July. The training would be for 8 weeks at the AEC Center and College Panchmani and 1 year at OTA Gaya. The next entry that we are going to talk about is Army Dental Corps Short Service Commission entry. The vacancies for this entry is 28, approximate 28 per year or as notified by ADC, Army Dental Corps. The notification are published in the Army Dental Corps link on www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Maximum age of the candidate is 45 years. The candidate should be NEET qualified and should have put an option of yes in ADC in the NEET form. The candidate should be Bachelor in Dental Surgery or Masters in Dental Surgery from college/university recognized by Dental Council of India with a minimum marks of 55% in the final year of BDS. The candidate should be unmarried. The candidate can apply online on www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. The likely dates of interview would be published on the official site, that is www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. The training takes place at Army Medical Corps Center and College, Lucknow, and the duration of the training is 9 weeks. Now let us see some of the miscellaneous entries. The miscellaneous entries consist of Territorial Army entry, Remount and Veterinary Corps entry, Army Medical Corps entry, non-tech, that is Army Postal Services, APS. Territorial Army. The vacancies would be notified in www.joinindianarmy.nic.in and notification would be published by the TA Directorate. The age of the candidate should be between 18 to 42 years. The candidate should be graduate from a recognized university and he can be married as well as unmarried. The candidates can apply online on www.jointerritorialarmy.gov.in. The likely dates of SSB would August, September and May, June. The training would be 30 days training in the TA battalion and annual training camp would take place twice in 2 calendar months in each training year. 3 months post-commission training would be there at IMA within 2 years of commissioning. Next entry is Remount and Veterinary Corps, that is RVC entry. It would be, vacancies would be notified in www.joinindianarmy.nic.in notification and by RVC Directorate in the month of November and December. The age of the candidate should be between 21 years and 32 years. The candidate should be Bachelor's in Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry qualified and he can be married as well as unmarried. Candidates can apply to RVC Directorate. The likely dates of SSB would be September and October and the training takes place at RVC Meerut. The next entry is Army Medical Corps AMC non-tech entry. The notification would be published in www.joinindianarmy.nic.in and would be notified by AMC Directorate. Maximum age of the candidate can be 42 years and he should metric qualified. The candidate can be married as well as unmarried. The candidate can apply online on www.joinindianarmy.nic.in and likely dates of SSB would be in the month of November/December. The training will take place in AMC Center and College, Lucknow. The training would be of 3 months. The next entry is Army Postal Services entry. The notification would notified by APS Directorate on the Indian Army site, that is www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. The maximum age of the candidate is should be 45 years. and he should be minimum metric qualified. The candidate can be married as well as unmarried. The likely dates of SSB would be in the month of September and October. Gentlemen, these were some of the options to join Indian Army as officers for both men and women after graduation. For latest detailed information, please refer to the official website whose links are given in the description of this video. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do like it and do subscribe to my channel.